Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector. I have one right over here, and you can use that, which comes provided with the device somewhere in the box between paperwork, or you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of them, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located on the left side, upper side of the phone. When you push the pin in, the tray comes out just ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it, pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for a SIM card and SD card, so one of each, or you can use two different SIM cards, but you won't have space for SD card in this way. So if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray just sideways. But because I'm using one of each, I'm going to move it over and put my SD card in its place. So there we go. From here, insert it back into your phone. Now you might want to be careful about it. There's nothing holding these cards in place, so they could come out if you, I don't know, do it too, bang it up or something like that. So just keep that in mind. Now, once the cards are inserted, it hopefully won't change the language. Never mind, it did, because Huawei is an absolute effing idiotic design there. So anyway, I'm just gonna quickly confirm my PIN, because it doesn't really require knowledge of the language that it just switched to. But as you can see, the system...
Jestem Silja, twój inteligentny asystent. Mogę ci pomóc sprawdzić pogodę?
I don't want to. Just... There we go. Now, by inserting a SIM card, number one, it changes the language of the device without any kind of question or permission. And obviously you got then blasted by Celia, whatever it was called, in the language that it changed it to. Now it is changing the language based on the SIM card, if I am correct, because the SIM card is from Poland, it changed it to Polish. But if you already went through the setup, I'm not exactly sure why it changed it. So, to revert back to your original language, assuming there are most likely people that have this where they live maybe in a country that they don't speak the language of. So yeah, you right now got completely bamboozled by this, and your phone is in a language that you most likely don't understand. So for everybody who just got completely screwed, I'm going to quickly show you how you can revert back. So pull down your tray from the right side, from this side. You'll find the settings icon. From here, you want to scroll down to System and Update, which is the second last option with the blue gear icon right here. And from here, you want to select the third option right here. So it's going to be the, I was going to say the one with two words, but first three options all have two words. So anyway, just select the third option and then first one. And in here, I'm going to tap on the blue text, which is Add Language. Below the first one, which has a check mark, that is the actual language that is right now. So let's select Add Language. And then we just get to look for our desired language, so English. You will get this pop-out, and it's asking us if you want to change the language, so select Change by pressing on the right side. Yay, there we go, we get our language back for... just didn't need to change it. There we go. So, with that being said, this was how you could insert SIM and SD card, and it kind of turned into fixing your language because Huawei. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.